Okay guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is about the Temu update. Okay, this is about the Temu update. All you have to do first of all is, let me just say, all you have to do first is you head to your Play Store, your Google, your Play Store, your App Store, download the Temu app. Once you're done downloading the Temu app, you open the app. Once you open the app, you sign up with your Google. You get me? You sign up with your Google account. When you sign up with your Google account, you sign up. Once you're done with sign up, all the ads will just pop, all those stuff. Once you are done, you come to this search bar here. You click on this search bar, you paste this code. Let me say you paste my code. Let me say I will send my code. You get if you're a new user on the app, you just have to paste my code and accept my invitation. But if you're an old user, you still have to paste my code. You get you say you paste this my code now, it will load up. Let's just watch it to load up. You get me? So just allow everything to load up. Just allow everything to load up. This is a gift. Just allow it to load up. Allow everything to load up. You get me? Just allow everything to load up. This is the main part. You get display the rows flip. Once you click on this flip, because this code is an old code already, so I'm not sure I can accept invitation on this app again. But that place, you see where the root accept invitation. You get me? You see where the root accept invitation. You just accept the invitation. It will load up like this. You have to load up. Just allow everything to load up before you can make your own choice. Okay, that is done loading up. So you can see this particular place now. They wrote this heart 3 gifts. You get. You see the first gift, second gift, third gift, fourth gift, and confirm. What you have to do, you have to pick any gift here. Let me just do a quick pick, so you just understand what I'm talking about. Let me just do a very, very quick pick. Let me just pick something very, very fast, so you understand. Because I don't want this to be very long. So I'll just pick everything and pick it very, very fast. Just now pick everything and pick it very, very fast. So it's very short. So I'll be picking. Let me just pick this air. You have to take your time and select what you want to pick. You have to take your time to select what you want to pick. Let me just go for this. I'll just go for this. I like to load up, you get. Yeah, I like to load up, you get me. I like to load up. To go to the second one, I'll make my second pick now. You get this. I'm just trying to explain how Temu works, how you get your free order on Temu. You go and you select the second order, your second order. Let me look for something to order again. Let me just go for we're going to something very, very fast, so that I'll just explain what you have to do. Let's go for this. I believe I can say this, but let me just go for this. I will say this in case I order, but I'm not taking this order. I will remake my order. You get, I will make my order. I will go for the third one. You are going for the third one. You can see all your orders. Like the first and second order is ready. So we'll go for the third order now. Just get a third order. What am I going to take now? Let me just take. I'll just pick anything randomly. Inside this video will not be long. I'll just pick anything I'm picking. I'll pick it randomly. I'm already going to know some minutes video, so I'll just pick everything I'm picking very, 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 very fast. Very fast to get. I'll pick everything very. I'm not a video person, so I'm not picking anything containing video. But I don't like. I'm trying to pick something very, very fast. Set class in high school plate. I don't know about that one. Let me just pick something very, very fast. Why am I not seeing what I need? I'm a gamer. I need something that I could use to play games. I'm a gamer. I don't know. Let me just look for something that I could do for me. I have this support already. I'll just do randomly. I will repeat my order. I'll do randomly. Let me just pick this one order. I'll go for the black. No, I prefer this light color. I'll go for this. I've done my third order yet. I will repeat my order, but this is not my main order. I'm just trying to explain to you guys how you can get your order on the get. I can go about it. So I have to go to the third one. I'll pick up something like this. I'll pick up something like this. I'll pick up this stuff. Why can't I get something? let's pick up this thing. Let's pick up this thing. So you can see my order is complete. This is my 4 orders to get. I'll just click on confirm again. I'll just click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, once I click on confirm, you get so you can confirm to write matching, you get to just click on matching, everything is just confirm. You get me. Now you see everything is confirmed. You get just load up. It should just be loading up. Let's allow it to load. Everything just be loading up. You get just load up. Then I have to click on this pick gifts. You're gonna like to load up, you get everything. Usually it's gonna take a lot of time because you have to Temu and their ads. The ad on Temu is much. You just allow everything to load up, you get allow everything to load up. Click confirm. To give down the third one. Okay, confirm. Just allow it to load, allow everything to be loading up, you get me. Pick again. I wish this is my main order. I need this airpod. I'm sure I've not ordered this airpod. I'm sure I've not ordered. Maybe I've ordered it. I'll check. I have a lot of order on my other account. I have not this account. I have a lot of order. I even work for. I've never been promoted. I just did low key. Okay, outstanding. Let's go. Not speak, so we need to complete the energy. Okay, this is it now. The last peak now. I ordered for 4 items. The last peak now. You can look, if you look at it, the last peak now. This is the last order. And this last order, look at just watch now. Peak progress 60%. It will load up. You get okay. One step to you see. I have to share this my link now. Once I click on this, copy my link now. It will just come out. I'll cancel. It will give me 20 energy. You get. You have to just be loading till just follow this step. Just follow this my step now. Follow this my step. That's the best step I know that you can follow. That is just the best I know you could follow. You get. I'll come here. I'll click on copy my link again. You get me. I'll go back to give me another energy. You get. Give me another 10 energy. Add the game. You get. My progress is now 90% out of 100 because I need to complete this 100% before I could get all the order plus this. Okay, if I don't complete the 100%, I'm not getting enough this order. Okay, get more energy to win 4 gifts. Okay, energy 5. I got 5. Okay, they say no, don't share anything. I'm not sharing any link. Don't share. Okay, click. I got 5 energy. I would like to load up. Type 95, you get it. 95 out of 100, you can see it. 95 out of 100, you can see it. Okay, I'm picking progress 95%. I need to complete this 100%. Well, let's watch. Okay, we got one. Guys, we are 99% now. Okay, you get it. Awesome. Peak progress is 99. I need to complete this peak progress 100%. So I need more 1 energy for me to be able to make my order. Get my free order. I need what? 1 more energy. Okay, this is not the condition to get this free energy now. Okay, these are people that have ordered. You get, these are people that have ordered people that have ordered. You get me? These are people that have ordered. You can easily make it too. I need this one energy to get all the gifts. You get it? Because you wrote all gifts here. So I'll just click on invite and take. You get me? I have to copy this my link now. You get me? Either I copy my link. If I copy my link and send you my link, you have to click on the link to download the app and accept the invitation before you download the app. You get me? Or if I click this my code here, you get me? These are the two steps you can use. If I send you this my, I'll click on copy this my code. If I copy this my code now, you have to download the app, sign up with your Google, and go to that search bar and paste this code there. Get me? You paste this my code there. I will send you my code. You paste my code there. Once you paste the code there, you search for it and accept the invitation. Allow all the ads to pop up finish. You see where the root accept. You accept the invitation. Once you accept the invitation, you are good to go. You can go and make your own order because I accepted the invitation from somebody that have already made an order. You get me? So you go and make your own order immediately there. You can make your own order and follow all these processes, and you can copy your own link or your code and send to someone else. Because look at the conditions now. These are the conditions now for you to be able to get this your free order. Okay, look at it now. Since you're having one energy left to complete this now, you have to get in. Look at the time. Energy coin and price will expire in 24 hours. Look at 23 hours 53 minutes. 53 minutes 44 seconds. You get me? So you have 24 hours to complete this offer. You get me? So what you have to do now is either what you have to do now. There are two things you have to do now. You click on this place, you copy your invitation link or your code, or you copy the both of them and send it to your members, or you send it to people that you know that they have not downloaded this app, because you need at least 15 to 17 new users that have not downloaded Temu before for you to be able to get this full gift. You need 15 to 17 new users on Temu. You get me? They have rules. You get me? Look at their rules. You can read through these rules. You get me? You can read through their rules. You can go through. The videos are getting longer. I cannot read through these rules for you. You get me? So this is just the part that I will just tell you. For you to complete this offer, you have to get 15 to 17 new users. My last one I did 17 new users before it was complete. So you need to get 17 new users for you to be able to claim this full offer here on Temu. Once you are done to complete, you pick you just this thing, click on continue shipping. To just ship, you take to put in your address. You are good to go. You see, to send your tracking link on your Gmail, or you can be tracking it from the app too. You get me? So that is how Temu works. It's very, very, very easy. Just make your pick, you follow the step, you invite your friends that have not used Temu before. You can invite old users too, because most times you need old users too. You can invite people that have used Temu before, and make sure you have 17 new users. That is just it, and you're good to go. That is all about Temu. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.